Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you a few tips and tricks on the Magic Keyboard Folio. So the first thing I'm going to show you is if you open up settings, and then we go to general and select keyboard, then select hardware keyboard. You have this modifier keys option, so if you click on that, you can change the actions that these keys right here perform. So you can change, for example, the caps lock key to be the globe key. So let me just demonstrate that. By pressing caps, you can see that the language is changing. Let me just pull up a keyboard, somewhere, a field where you can type in, like that. So I type and then I press the caps lock key, and as you can see, instead of caps lock, and it now does the language change action. So now if we return, the next thing I want to show you is if we return to general, then scroll down to trackpad and click on trackpad, you have the tracking speed. So you can change the sensitivity of your trackpad by just adjusting this slider right here. So this means if you scroll to the left, it means it will be slower, and to the right it will be faster, like that. So you can change it to whichever one you prefer. And the next tip is basically from general again. We go to the trackpad tab, and here we have the tap to click option. So if you don't like just fully pressing on the touchpad, what you can do is enable the tap to click option, and that basically allows you to just lightly tap on the touchpad and it will click, like that. And the next thing I want to show you is how to see all of the shortcuts on the keyboard. So you can hold the globe key right here, and it will pop up with all of the shortcuts that you can perform. For example, I can call up Siri, pressing the globe key and S, like that, or I can do any other shortcut that's in here. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.